Hey everybody, welcome back. I saw this in the store today and I thought, I want to pick this up. Hey, it's the 2020 slash 21 Tokyo Olympics. But I thought that'd be kind of fun to look for autograph and memorabilia cards. That'd be cool. Let's get an autograph. That would be awesome. A memorabilia card, that'd be cool. Either way. That'd be cool. So it is the Team USA 2020 U.S. Olympic and Paralympic Team Hopeful trading cards. Let's show some love for Team USA. Everyone else. Thought that was kind of neat. Looked at the bottom, I was like, the most hastily put together, it's not even put together. Is it all there? I hope it's all there. Is there something extra special in there? Is it going to be completely something different? It's got the official, looks like it was just put together so quick. I mean, look at that. This box not even factory error. Alright, let's open this baby up. Let's see what we got here. I'm assuming packs. Doesn't even really say. Does it say in here? Packs? Anything? Oh, there we go. 5 packs containing 5 cards per pack, 25 total cards per box. Packs with a special insert may contain only 1 card. Well, that's fine. We'll take that too. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got. Alright. Set this right here. Let's do a... Oh, they all look pretty. One looks a little thicker. I don't know. They all seem pretty much. Let's do this. 5 packs. Tops. Oh, come on. There we go. These are teams and hopefuls. Team USA mountain biking. Alright. We have a diver. Alright. From track and field. Alright. Karate. Then we have, this is a special fencer with that card. Oh, look at that. We like them. That numbered 99 out of 299. Look at that. We like our rookies. We like our autos. We like our patches. We like numbered cards. Well, that's cool. Good first pack. Let's go for the second one here now. See what we got. Shooting, we have Kim Rhodes. Alright. Archery. We have another fencing. It looks like we have a Paralympic. She's in the track and field. That's cool. And we have a swimmer. Alright. That was pack 2. Alright. Let's keep on going. Let's rip pack 3 here. Come on. We have a swimmer. Three-on-three basketball. All right. Track and field. Will London the third. We have another fencer. All right. Oh, what is this here? Ooh, this is a gold. April Ross. Beach volleyball. That's a gold or something. That's a cool card. All right. Number 3 or 4. Ooh, wait. Ooh. 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 I kind of thought number 4 seemed to looked a little. I might have mentioned that at the beginning. We're going to open that one last. This would have been the 4th one, but that's thick. Ooh. Simone Biles autograph. Ooh, wouldn't that be cool? Alright, so let's see if I can open this. Alright. Oh, jeez. Man, oh, come on now. Jeez. Do not want to rip. There we go. Wow. Hey, look at that. That's the regular version. April Ross. Look at that. We have a skateboarder. All right. Sport climbing. There we go. We have track and field. What is this? New to the game. History making wave rider. Surfing. Alright, did not know surfing was in the Olympics. Alright. Cool. Here we go. Ooh. That feels thick. I might be excited about this one here. I mean, I am excited. I didn't even open the dang thing. There we go. Alright. This is something special. For Team USA 2020, should say 21, U.S. Olympic and Paralympic. Here we go. This is going to be something. Alright. Yep, look at that, folks. Look at that. There's something right there. Alright. Here we go. Ooh, we have a rugby, and it's a gold. Oh, boy. Look at the thickness of that card. We got some. I love it. I'm pumped. Here we go. Whew. All right, here we go. Here we go. Are you ready? All right, sit back. Are you ready? What is it going to be? What is this going to be? This is some. This is some. What is it? What is it? Oh, that is sweet. Look at that. Team USA commemorative insignia. Look at that. Alex Morgan for soccer. Look at that. Congratulations. You have received a U.S. Olympic and Paralympic team insignia commemorative relic card from Topps. Ooh, 74 out of 99. Oh, this is, man. You know, I just was at Target. I thought, hey, I saw there were 2 of them there. I'm like, you know what? I'll pick up one. There was someone else there. He grabbed one. You know, I'm not trying to buy everything. I just thought I want to try to open one of these things. Awesome. This is pretty cool. I'm glad I did. I'm glad I bought one of these. That is awesome. Only 99 of these made. Yeah, it's a 2021 company. That's awesome right there. We got 2 golds. We also got another numbered card. We love numbered cards. Along with that, I don't remember what I paid for this. It might have been like, I'm guessing, usually they're like $9.99, maybe like that. I don't think it was 19. It could have been 19. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I just saw it and I picked it up. I'm happy. Let's get this. Team USA. You know what I mean? Olympics are going on. They're almost over. That was awesome. If you haven't already, subscribe. You know, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. I love this video. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. This is awesome. I love getting numbered cards, replica cards. Awesome. Your gold variant, whatever. I don't know what they call those. Let's see if we can. There's your gold. It's got to be 1 out of 39. Alright. Well, there you go. This was an awesome video. Like I said, I'm glad I picked it up. I'm glad you watched. As always, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you for my next video. Keep on rocking. If you find cards, grab them if you like it.